What's up, guys? We are back, headed on a little journey to Nixon Marine to check out some boats. So got some future plans. Really trying to get worked out and find a boat for me and Bryan to get out on. So see how it goes and bring you guys along with us. So let's do it. We're here, guys. There's a sweet ass skeeter right here, right next to us. We've made it. Oh yeah, this is Bryan's truck. Bryan got his truck back. Yay. Yay. Bryan got his truck back. We made it to Nixon's. We're gonna check out some boats now, guys, so get back to you here in a minute. We'll see if we can film in here or not. I'm not sure if I can, so I'm gonna ask him. What do you think, Bryan? You bought a boat.
I know.
Pretty jacked?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Pretty jacked for him. So, let's see how it goes. We picked the boat up in about a week, so be on the water with the new boat in a week or two.
Yeah.
Well, guys, we got Bryan's truck back, but found the issue already. Missing lug nut that snapped off. You can see the nice leftovers in there.
Over here, I'm missing a whole lug too.
Oh my Lanta, dude. Missing another lug nut. Yeah, look at this shit.
Oh my god, they're not even tight.
They're not even tight, guys. Thank you, Ram dealership. I got this on film. That's not okay. That's gonna cause somebody a huge, huge problem. And they're all loose. They're all loose. That's our issue right there. Big time. Well, guys, we finally found the tool in the jockey box. So luckily, even though the other side we lost a lug nut, this side, or the whole freaking lug snapped off on the other side. This side we just lost a lug nut, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack up this side. The other side we just tightened down, so gonna jack this side up and then get on our way. Yay, grease. It's greasy. That's a greasy girl. Alright, guys, well, that pretty much wrapped up the trip. Ended up getting all the lug nuts and everything tightened back down. We got back into town, and Bryan ended up getting the truck back into the Ram dealership. They made everything right. They fixed everything, and they got his truck back to him actually the same day, so that was super, super great. And then we made the little journey home, but Bryan got a boat, pretty jacked, and you guys are gonna see it tomorrow. So let's do it to it. I gotta get some rest, but I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Nixon Marine, thank you a butt ton for all you guys' help. Just hands down, just a great time going out there and just getting to tour the facility. So thank you guys a bunch, and we'll see you guys on the water here soon. So till next time.